This is so weird. It's so unnatural. What's up, AP Stats? Today we're doing a study on...
There's an association between the color of the shirt of the surveyor and the response of the surveyee.
To test this, we went to Hobby Lobby and purchased 4 t-shirts, with the only difference between them being color. We then went to Santan Village Mall to collect samples from the diverse world of shoppers and moviegoers. We sampled 80 people total, 20 people in each shirt, with a clipboard and pen, asking if they wanted to participate in a study.
The genius of it, though, is that people provide us with the data whether they choose to or not. If a person did choose to participate, we would ask them a completely unrelated and random question and then kindly thank them for their time.
All right, have either of you seen the film Morbius?
Are you a pet owner?
Yeah.
Do you both have all 10 toes?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, thank you, that's all.
Oh, thank you. We marked down the number of yeses and nos under each shirt color and compared the results for each color.
To maintain consistency with our subjects, Alex, who wore yellow and red, and I, who wore blue and pink, had to stick to a script.
Would you mind participating in a really quick survey? A really quick survey. It doesn't require any personal information.
We added that the survey required no personal information to participate in the study. This was a recommendation of Mr. Rothery, as it would show to increase the rate of people willing to participate in our study.
We wanted our approach to remain proper, pleasant, and respectful. We compiled a list of things not to do when collecting our data.
Listen, Lugnut, I got study. You gotta participate. Hey, you, sir. Hey, wanna participate? Hey, you with me? All right. Sir. Hey, bud. You mind participating in a quick little study for us?
To test our null hypothesis, there is no association between a person's likelihood to participate in a study and the color of the shirt that the surveyor is wearing.
And our alternative hypothesis, there is an association between a person's likelihood to participate in a study and the color shirt the surveyor is wearing.
We follow the steps to a chi-square test for independence.
Step 1. We already did that. Step 2. Now we have 2 test conditions for a chi-square test for independence. Is it a random sample? Not really. Our sample was just a bunch of people from Gilbert that were at Santan Mall at the time that we were. It wasn't very random. It was collected in one day, but for the sake of the test, we're going to continue and get a result anyway, but it will not be representative of a population. Is the 10% rule satisfied? Yeah! N equals 80 is less than 1/10 of all people in Gilbert, so the 10% rule is satisfied. Finally, are all the expected values greater than or equal to 5? Yup. In the table on the left, you see the observed values that all add up to 80, and if you were to put those in your TI-84 into a matrix and then do a chi-square test and then go back and check matrix B, you would find the expected values which are in the right table. And all of those are greater than or equal to 5. Therefore, all conditions for the chi-square test are, by exception, satisfied. Now for step 3. We put our observed values into a matrix, into our TI-84, and then use the chi-square test function. These are the results that we ended up with. And if I had to guess, that probability is going to be larger than the alpha cutoff. Yep. Since the alpha cutoff is much smaller than the probability of attaining these results, then we do not have the evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Step 4! I already did step 4. Step 5! There is no evidence to suggest that there is an association between a person's likelihood to participate in a study and the color shirt the surveyor is wearing. But you know what? We're okay with these results. While they're not that interesting, they were not an easy task to obtain. Alex faced more rejection than he'd ever thought imaginable.
One guy was kinda mean looking when he walked past me. Zayd was attacked by a bee.
Zayd, he's chasing you because you're running.
And I almost chased Ernesto into oncoming traffic. But we are dedicated statisticians, and we are proud of our results. Thank you for watching.